Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to break down how artificial intelligence, or AI, is about to completely transform one of the most vital parts of your physiotherapy clinic, the front desk. Yeah, we're talking about moving beyond that daily juggle to boost your efficiency and totally reshape how you approach patient care. So, let's just dive right in, shall we? We're kicking things off with a question that, let's be honest, every single practice owner has probably asked themselves during a crazy busy afternoon. Is the very front door to your clinic actually holding you back? And this slide, well, it just says it all, doesn't it? It's that daily chaos. It's a constant juggling act. Phones are ringing off the hook with questions about directions, someone's trying to clarify a prescription, all while another patient is standing right there waiting to check in. You know the drill. This whole thing leads to burnt-out staff, frustrated patients, and maybe, worst of all, missed calls. And every one of those missed calls, that's literally lost revenue walking out the door. Okay, so what's the fix? Let's introduce the solution. I want you to imagine a new team member, one that's always on, always professional, never calls in sick, and works around the clock. We're talking about an AI phone assistant, your very own 24/7 AI receptionist, built specifically for a busy practice like yours. Now, this might sound super technical, but it's actually incredibly simple. You can get this thing up and running in minutes, right from your computer. You just set up your clinic's greeting, plug in the answers to your most common questions, and decide how you want calls handled. And that's it. From that moment on, the AI is live. It greets every caller professionally, books appointments, answers questions, takes messages, all while keeping you in the loop with instant notifications. What's so cool about this slide is the contrast, right? It's a total 180. You go from this reactive state of putting out fires, missed calls, staff burnout, human errors in scheduling, to a proactive, super efficient system. Suddenly, every single call is captured. Your clinic is effectively open 24/7, and your team, they're finally free to focus on actual hands-on patient care. All right, let's dig into the first big benefit here, boosting your clinic's efficiency. Because this is all about getting back your team's most valuable asset, their time and their incredible expertise. So, what does this actually look like day to day? Well, it means your highly skilled staff can stop being switchboard operators. All those routine calls. What are your hours? Do you offer prevention courses? I have a new prescription. The AI handles all of it. This frees up your team to focus on the stuff that really needs a human touch, like complex billing questions or just giving that in-person patient their undivided attention. This number, 24/7, it's more than just a number. It's a fundamental shift in how you operate. Your clinic's front door is no longer locked at 5 o'clock. A potential new patient, maybe they're thinking about their back pain at 10 p.m. on a Saturday, can now book an appointment right then and there when their motivation is highest. You capture them in that moment. So, being efficient is awesome for the clinic, no doubt. But what about the people you're actually there to help? Let's flip this around and look at it from the patient's point of view. A great healing journey, after all, starts with a great first impression. This is about creating a totally seamless and professional experience from the get-go. Think about it, 0 wait times. No more annoying hold music or playing phone tag. Patients can book or change their appointments whenever it works for them. They get the right info every single time, and those automated reminders, they are a lifesaver for cutting down no-shows. You're building trust before they even walk in. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This isn't just theory. As this quote from a real practice owner shows, clinics are seeing this play out in the real world. The patients love how easy it is, and the staff, well, they are breathing a huge sigh of relief. It's a win-win. Okay, so we've covered efficiency, and we've covered patient happiness. But what about the bottom line? Let's talk about how all of this connects to the actual health of your business, because smarter operations aren't just about today. They're about setting you up for real, sustainable growth. Just look at this chart. The financial upside is crystal clear. Your operational costs go way down compared to a full-time hire. The money you are losing from missed calls just about disappears. And your booked appointments, they go up because you're always open for business. And look at how practical this really is. We're not talking about abstract ideas here. The AI is built to handle the nitty-gritty of a physio clinic. Scheduling a manual therapy session? Done. Answering questions about prescription validity? No problem. It can even remind a new patient to bring their referral and a towel to their first visit. It just gets how your clinic works. Okay, I know what you're thinking. These are the big questions, the but wait a minute questions that any smart practice owners should be asking. You're handing over your front line, so you have to be sure. Is it secure? Can I make it my own? Will it even work with my current software? And the answer to all of those is a huge, resounding yes. These systems are built for healthcare. They're HIPAA compliant, so patient data is locked down tight. They integrate smoothly with the EMR and calendars you're already using. And they are completely customizable. It's your clinic's voice, your services, your info. It's made for you. So when you boil it all down, what's the big takeaway? Getting an AI receptionist isn't just about answering more phone calls. It's a strategic move. It's about shifting your entire practice from being reactive, always putting out fires, to being proactive, organized, and putting patient care right back in the center of everything you do. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. It's not really about the AI itself. It's about what that AI unlocks. Once you free your amazing, skilled team from that constant administrative grind, what more could they achieve for your patients and for the future of your practice? That right there is the real transformation.